you ever asked yourself, am I ready to stop renting and start owning? Here in New York City, that decision is especially exciting given the unique neighborhoods, property types, and the competitive housing market. For those same reasons, the process in New York is also one of the most complex in the country. Without a plan, making the decision to become a New York City homeowner can feel intimidating. In this video, we'll discuss the key considerations when deciding to buy your first home in the city. And by the end, you'll know what to look for to feel confident about starting the home buying process. I'm Carlo Romero, and welcome back to StreetEasy Homeschool. First, let's talk about your goals. Are you planning to raise a family, hoping to settle down in one neighborhood, or just trying to steady your housing costs? If so, it might be time to consider purchasing. Everyone's timeline looks different. For some people, the decision to buy comes quickly. For others, it takes months or even years of renting, researching, and weighing options before they feel ready. And that's okay. When you're deciding whether to rent or buy, it often comes down to the numbers. Renting offers flexibility and lower upfront costs, but rent is likely to rise over time and doesn't build long-term value. Buying, on the other hand, usually means a larger upfront investment, but monthly mortgage payments can offer more stability than rent. And each mortgage payment helps you build equity and potentially wealth over time. Beyond the financials, buying a home gives you more control of your space. You can paint the walls, change the layout, and create a home that is truly yours. Next, let's talk about budget. The listing price is just the beginning. Buying a home involves several additional costs that you'll need to plan for. In New York City, typically you need to make a down payment of at least 20%, and then there are closing costs which can add another 2 to 5% of the purchase price. You'll also want to factor in attorney's fees and other expenses that may come with finalizing the deal. If you're planning to finance your purchase, getting pre-approved for a mortgage before you start your search is so important. It not only shows sellers that you're a serious buyer, it also gives you a clear picture of what you can truly afford beyond just the sticker price. Once you have a sense of your budget, the next step is thinking about what kind of home makes the most sense for you. New York City offers a wide variety of housing types, including co-ops, condos, and townhouses. It's important to know which type of home will best suit your needs. Co-ops can be less expensive, but they usually come with stricter financial scrutiny and often require rigorous board approval. Condos, on the other hand, tend to offer more flexibility and more modern amenities, but usually come at a higher cost. And just as important as the type of home you choose is where that home is located. In a city as diverse as New York, every neighborhood has its own character, lifestyle, and price range. Location will shape your daily routine, your commute, and even your long-term investment. If you'd like a closer look at the unique qualities of different areas across the city, be sure to check out our YouTube series, Know the Neighborhood, where we spotlight many of New York's most beloved communities. When making such an important decision, you don't want to go it alone. A buyer's agent can be a huge help even if you're still deciding between renting and purchasing. Being transparent about your timeline, including lease constraints, will give your agent the insight they need to support you and guide the process at your pace. They'll bring valuable insights that are relevant to your unique search, and when you're ready, they'll connect you with trusted lenders, attorneys, and inspectors so you have a team of local experts behind you. Not sure how to find a buyer's agent? StreetEasy can connect you with a top agent or team with experience helping buyers in the neighborhood or even the building you're considering. Reach out to our complimentary StreetEasy concierge at the link below to get matched. Once you've started building the right team, it's important to think about timing. The real estate market is cyclical, and the time of year may affect what listings are available. To account for this, start your search several months early and talk to your buyer's agent for neighborhood-specific insights. So how do you know if you're ready to buy your first home? You've thought about your long-term goals, you understand your budget, you know what type of home fits your needs, and you've started building the right team to guide you. With those pieces in place, the process will feel a lot less intimidating and a lot more exciting. Remember, this is about creating stability, building equity, and finding a space that truly feels like yours. If you'd like to keep learning, check out our other homeschool videos. And if you want to test your knowledge, check out our new series, StreetEasy Street Smarts, where we quiz New Yorkers on all things real estate. We look forward to helping you unlock life's next chapter. Thanks for watching.